Transmission of sound. Every sound is produced by a vibration. Vibration is the back and forth movement of an object as you speak. Vibrations are produced by the vocal cords in the throat. You can hear only when the sound energy reaches your ears. But how does sound energy travel? Wonder how does words come? Let's go across to Dr. Zhu. Sound energy travels in the form of sound waves. There are mainly two types of waves: transverse wave and longitudinal waves. Let you see how waves travel. We can use a slinky spring to observe both types of waves. Emily is holding one side of the slinky while Dr. Zhu is holding the other, and with a quickly upward flick of the wrist, Dr. Zhu is sent energy traveling through the slinky. Notice how the slinky moves. This is transverse wave. In a transverse wave, the particular vibration is right angle to direction of the wave. The waves travel from Dr. Zhu and Emily and back. Now let's see what a longitudinal wave looks like. Emily is holding on a end of slinky. Dr. Zhu is pulling his other end towards himself and then pushing it towards Emily. Watch close and you will notice that some of the coil grow close together and then slowly move farther apart. It's because the vibrations are parallel in the direction of the wave. If the wave moves from right and left, then the particles also vibrate from right to left, and it's longitudinal wave. Sound waves are longitudinal wave. These waves travel different speed in different medium, and medium could be a solid, liquid, or gas. Now let's see how this works in a solid. The particles are very close together. Sound energy moves as one particle hits another particle. With the particle being close together, sound travel quickly through the solid. If the liquid particle is in the liquid, they appear to be slightly further apart when compared to solid. The sound energy takes a little longer and to travel through liquid. Look at the particle of gas. They spread out and hence sound wave travel moves slowly through them. Now is know how sound travel in different media and vibration of particles produce wavelength in distance between two consecutive compression and rarefactions. The number of waves passing through a point in a second is called frequency and is measured in hertz. Second is called frequency, measure hertz. Sound wave travel in all directions. Sound gets reflected that is both its back and hitting a solid surface. Bouncing back of sound is called echo. Bouncing back of sound is purposefully used direction, depth, and speed. That's amazing, isn't it? Summary: every sound is produced by a vibration. Vibrations are produced by our vocal cords when we speak. There are two types of waves: transverse wave and longitudinal waves. In a transverse wave, the particle vibration at the right angle and direction of the wave. In a longitudinal wave, vibration is parallel to direction of wave. Soft wave. Longitudinal, a sound travels quickly through a solid. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive compression or rarefactions. The number of waves passing through a point of second called frequency and is measured in hertz. Bouncing back of sound is called echo.